Capturing the magic of fireworks in a photograph is both an art and a science. The dazzling bursts of color, the intricate patterns, and the fleeting nature of each explosion present unique challenges for photographers. But with the right preparation and techniques, anyone can create stunning images that preserve these moments forever. Start with planning. Before you head out with your camera, find out when and where the fireworks display will take place. Scout the location ahead of time if possible. Look for interesting foreground elements like city skylines, bodies of water, or iconic landmarks that can add depth and context to your shots. Arrive early to secure the best vantage point, giving yourself enough room to set up your equipment and minimize crowd interference. Equipment choice is crucial. A sturdy tripod is essential to keep your camera steady during long exposures, which are necessary to capture the full trails of light. Use a remote shutter release or the camera's self-timer function to prevent camera shake when taking the shot. For lenses, a wide-angle option allows you to capture expansive scenes, while a medium telephoto lens can help you focus on individual bursts or compress distant elements. Once you're set up, dial in your camera settings. Manual mode gives you the most control. Set your ISO to a low value, such as 100 or 200, to reduce noise and preserve image quality. Use a small aperture, like f8 to f16, to keep more of the scene in sharp focus and to manage the brightness of the fireworks themselves. Shutter speed is where the magic happens. Long exposures, typically between 2 and 10 seconds, allow you to capture the full arc of the fireworks as they burst and fade. If your camera has a bulb mode, you can open the shutter just before the fireworks explode and close it after the burst finishes, giving you even more control. Autofocus can struggle in the dark, so switch to manual focus. Focus on a distant object at the approximate location where the fireworks will appear, or set your lens to infinity. Take a few test shots before the show begins, adjusting your focus as needed. Once the action starts, be ready to react quickly. Fireworks are unpredictable, and the best shots often come from anticipating where the next burst will happen. Composition is just as important as technical settings. Frame your shot to include elements that tell a story or create a sense of place. Reflections on water, silhouettes of spectators, or landmark buildings can all add interest. Leave enough space in the frame for the fireworks to spread out, and be prepared to adjust your composition as the show progresses. Timing is everything. Instead of waiting until you see the explosion, press the shutter just as you hear the launch. This way, you'll capture the entire trajectory of the firework as it ascends and explodes. Experiment with capturing multiple bursts in a single frame by keeping the shutter open for longer durations, but be mindful not to overexpose the image or let the scene become too chaotic. After the show, review your photos and make adjustments if needed. Some post-processing can enhance your images. Tweaking contrast, adjusting color balance, and cropping for better composition can all help your shots stand out. In the end, patience and practice are key. Each fireworks display is unique, and every attempt offers a new opportunity to refine your technique. With careful preparation and a willingness to experiment, you'll be able to capture breathtaking images that bring the wonder of fireworks to life, long after the last spark has faded from the sky.